Oh, hi there. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl Norleen with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another of Jamaica's finest cooking experience. All right, family and friends, so I have a pound of chickpea or chana. I will add that to 2 cups of boiling water, 2 pimento leaf, 3 cloves of garlic, some pimento seeds, and a teaspoon of salt. I will allow that to soak for about 30 minutes. If you're new to my channel, why not go ahead and press that subscribe button. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and remember to follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. If you're celebrating a birthday or any other extra special milestone in your life, a very happy birthday to you and congratulations from Wim's Kitchen. A very extra special happy birthday to my niece Ayana and my nephew Osric, who are celebrating their birthday this week. Auntie loves you with all her heart. So guys, after 30 minutes, I've poured the content in my instant pot. You may use a pressure pot. The process is still the same. I add to that 1.5 cups of coconut milk and pressure for about 45 minutes. So guys, after 45 minutes, my peas is all ready. It is not soft. You want your peas to be firm because the cooking process has not ended. I will then move the peas from the sauce and put it aside. The food for thought, borrowed from dailyverses.net, comes to us from Galatians 2 verse 20, and it says, I have been crucified with Christ, and I no longer live, but Christ lives in me. The life I now live in the body, I live by faith in the Son of God who loved me and gave himself for me. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right back into the saucepan with a tablespoon of curry and a tablespoon of curry goat booster. I will stir this until it begins to fry. To that, guys, I will add all my chopped vegetables and herbs, 1.5 Roma tomato, a medium onion, half of a bell pepper, a medium carrot, scallion, and thyme. I will stir fry this in to further flavor my curry oil. If you want more information about other Jamaican and Caribbean foods that I have prepared, please touch this information icon. All right, guys, so we're going to go in now and add our chana or the chickpea. Stir this in so that I can get all my chickpea with curried sauce all over it. I'm going to add to that some scotch bonnet pepper. It won't be the same without the scotch bonnet pepper, people. I'm going to add to that the coconut sauce that the peas was cooked in, and people may just go cover this and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, it's time to nice up the pot. I will add my powdered seasons, some black pepper, some blend of dry herbs and spices, some basil, some parsley, guys, some onion powder, garlic powder, add some fresh scallion, stir this in and allow it to simmer for additional 2 to 5 minutes. Now guys, remember, if you have not subscribed as yet, please do so. Share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Remember to follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen and like my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. Remember to leave your comments in the comment section. Share your thoughts about this video or suggest other Jamaican meals that you'd like to see me prepare. Now guys, this look good and it smell good, and I can't wait to dig in. I am so happy that I got a chance to share this with you. Guys, I'm just garnish this with a little bit more of green bell pepper and some fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna just turn off the stove, guys, and allow the steam to finish this off. This smells and tastes awesome. I am sure you enjoyed the time in the kitchen with me. It was a pleasure bringing to you curried chana or curried chickpea, whatever you call it in your side of the world. It's another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table.